Hello everyone, today we are going to study about amoeba. So let's begin. So amoeba is a genus that belongs to protozoa. These are unicellular eukaryotes with membrane-bound cell organelles. The amoeba is discovered by August John Rosel von Rosenhoff in 1757. The name amoeba is derived from the Greek word amoebe, which means change. There are many species, of which the mostly extensively studied is the amoeba proteus. So, where amoeba found? The amoeba is found in terrestrial as well as aquatic habitat. However, some are parasites in nature, thereby causing harm to the human and animals. Examples are Anti-amoeba histolytica that causes amoebiasis. What the amoeba consists of? The cell of amoeba consists of a cell membrane, a nucleus with genetic materials, food vacuoles for the purpose of digestion of the foods, a contractile vacuole for osmoregulation. An amoeba can have more than two nucleus in a cell, similar to whom? The protozoas. Okay, you can also take a screenshot of these notes. Let's begin to the mode of reproduction. The amoeba can reproduce asexually, either by mitosis or cytokinesis, but during the forceful division of the amoeba, the portion that contains nucleus survives, while the portion without nucleus die. This is the important phenomena. During the forceful division of amoeba, the portion that contains nucleus alive or survive, but the portion which do not contain any nucleus without nucleus that die. But when amoeba is exposed to the lethal environment, it turns to dominant form called as a amoebic cyst. Here you can see in this diagram the red dotted part is the amoebic cyst. Let's discuss about the locomotion in amoeba. The amoeba possess pseudopodial locomotion, and the feeding purples and the pseudopores are extension of the cytoplasm. Here you can see in this diagram the red dotted part is the pseudopodia, by which the engulfment of food also takes place here. Next one is the mode of nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba has a holozoic mode of nutrition. The food sources of amoeba are usually bacteria and other protists. Usually, the food sources are bacteria and other protists, while some detrivorous and eat dead organic materials. They ingest their food by the process of phagocytosis, in which they spread their pseudopores around food particles and engulf it. Here you can see these are the pseudopodia by which the amoeba engulfs their food. So, after the ingestion of the food, it is transferred to the food vacuoles. food vacuoles where the digestion takes place. By the enzymes. Digestion of amoeba is intracellular. It takes place inside the cell. After digestion of the food vacuoles are transferred deeper into the cell by the cytoplasmic movement, and undigested waste is expelled out. Undigested waste then expelled out through which the cell membrane. Here you can see they ingest their food by the process of phagocytosis. You can see here they spread their pseudopores around the food particles. This one is the food particles, and they spread their pseudopores around the food particles, and the next process they engulf the food material. Here you can see they engulfing the food material. This is the whole process of the amoeba. Thank you all. In the next video, we will discuss about some important questions about the amoeba.